How to amend a tax return in TurboTax. So first you gotta go to TurboTax website and sign into your account. Then you wanna click on or expand the tax tools here on the left side panel. Then click on tools, and then you wanna click on topic search. And in the search box, you wanna type amend. Then you can choose amend, which is this one, and press go. And then you can choose why are you amending from these options here. You can choose multiple options if you want to. So this one right here is for if you forgot a W-2 or 1099 or similar income documents, you can select this. You can also select the IRS or state sent me a notice if they corrected or flagged something in your return. You can choose this if you need to fix personal details, deductions, filing status, etc. And you can choose this option if they told you to amend due to an issue they detected. Otherwise, you can choose none of these apply. And once you follow these prompts, the TurboTax should open a amendment, which is Form 1040X. And then you can make your corrections and review and submit again. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'll see you on the next one.